Scientific explanation. The coincidences between Kennedy and Lincoln. Like it or not, science is considered the paradigm of objective research, and scientists, as people, are able to interpret evidence more rationally. They are believed to use science to reach conclusions that are not the product of ideologies or prejudices. Bacon was the author of that point of view of science, although the philosophy of science has questioned many of the alleged rational bases of scientific knowledge. Some of Bacon's assertions are very useful in improving our critical thinking. An example, have you ever heard of the Lincoln-Kennedy case? Bacon claimed that a tendency exists to see more order in nature than it actually exists. Have you found faces in clouds? Or discovered other objects in tree shapes? Those are one of the consequences of that trend. Or did you know Kennedy and Lincoln share similarities that seem extraordinary? For example, their killers didn't come to trial. Lincoln had a secretary named Kennedy, and Kennedy had another named Lincoln. They were both killed on Friday. They were both killed together with their wives. Lincoln died at the Ford Theater, and Kennedy was murdered in a Lincoln manufactured by Ford. Both were succeeded in power by a man named Johnson. If that wasn't enough, Kennedy and Lincoln were elected presidents 100 years apart. There are too many coincidences. There seems to be a strange relationship between them, right? Bacon would say the relationship is only apparent. If you put a farmer to shoot a gun into a wall of ears, at some point, some holes will cluster more in one place than in another. We could draw a target around such a conglomeration and say that the farmer always tried to shoot there. Something similar happens in Lincoln and Kennedy case. Everything Lincoln and Kennedy didn't share to make sense of things and make us a story. It's like when you dream something and then it happens. Do you have prediction powers? No. You're just ignoring every time you dream about something that doesn't happen. And this is because of your natural tendency to look for patterns. The search for patterns explains many of the apparent coincidences that turn into paranormal stories, into conspiracy theories that abound in pop culture. Can you think of any? If you liked the video, just like it and share it.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember that yesterday's metaphors are today's platitudes. If you like these videos, we need your help. If you got some value of some of these videos, please consider pledging just $1 per video. That's $3 to $4 per month to keep this channel going. You can even limit your pledge to $1 a month, and if you pledge $5, we will happily add your name to the credits. Hit like, share it, follow us on Facebook and Twitter, etc. All these things really contribute to helping us to grow. Thanks for watching and see you next week.